Kieni forest, known by some to be a hiker's paradise. Well, this is because the forest has 3 waterfalls and is surrounded by a tea plantation. Kieni is located in Kiambu County, approximately 85 kilometers from Nairobi City. Hi everyone, so it's exactly 5:30 a.m. Kieni. So this is the beginning of the 18-kilometer hike. Women who hike Africa. The trails next to Gakoi Tea Estate are ideal for bikers who would like to enjoy an amazing view of the tea plantation. Happy New Year, guys! This is the first hike of the year. It's Kieni in Kiambu County. So I'm excited to show you guys about the three waterfalls and the sceneries, the sights and sounds. So walk with me. Kieni Forest is surrounded by Gakoi Tea Estate, which is estimated to be 400 acres. Ooh, beautiful tea plantation. We're now walking inside the plantation, so walk along. Watch till the end. Probably a few kilometers in, and remember guys, it's 18 kilometers. I can't wait for you guys to see the waterfalls, and I'm also excited. I want to see them. Yeah, so just walking through the tea plantation right now. In this plantation, tea is harvested by hand mainly because it preserves the freshness of it.
You can just put your feet on there and leave it.
Chasing waterfalls and sights, sounds, all those good things, guys. That's what we're chasing this year. Okay, let's go. The forest has various indigenous trees that date back 50 to 100 years.
It rained last night, didn't it?
Why you need shoes? Wait! Sebastian grip! Oh my gosh! Watch out for plants that can burn or cause itching when you're on your hike. To cross something like a bridge, but it's a log. Gosh. And so we'll go under it instead of over it. Anyway, until we reach the waterfalls. So watch on.
Not here. Oh, not here yet. Slippery.
Guys, we're just about to reach the waterfalls and we're hiking up the forest because of course the waterfalls are up, so we're hiking all the way up and it's a rough terrain It's not as easy, but we'll get there. I think it's a wild banana.
Joke. They still far. You wouldn't lie.
I can hear the sound of the waterfall. So we're just about to get there. This is the reason I'm encouraged to wear long sleeved shirts, especially in a forest hike. So just protect your arms from the shrubs. Whew. Out here chasing waterfalls, good vibes, sights, sounds. Yeah, so guys, we're just about to reach. Kieni hike continues. We are about probably 3 kilometers in, and we're chasing waterfalls. Today we'll visit 2 of them because the third one there are floods and won't be able to go that side. So we'll see. Kieni Forest, we're in Kiambu County, and we want to see the 2 waterfalls. Can you hear that, guys? That's the sound of the waterfalls. Woo! Exciting, exciting. Wow, guys! The waterfall is beautiful. Let me run and show you. Gosh. Kieni! We're at Kieni Forest. The beauty that's here. Hidden gems of Kenya. So this is Kieni Forest, and this is one of the waterfalls. There are 2 others, but today we're going to look at one other waterfall. Woo. Guys, just enjoy this view. Magnificent waterfall. So we're going to the second waterfall. This is the first waterfall. We'll look at one other one and then call it a day. That's one of our guides. Let's take us around the forest.
Okay.
We've gotten to the second waterfall and it's beautiful, guys. Woo! Just look at that. Woo! This is the second waterfall. I'm trying to make it all the way there. Let's go. Let's see if I'll make it. That's where we've come from, guys. I'm here and that's where we want to go. Hey. Gitonga has helped us cross. Thank you. She's also crossing. Woo! Guys, I'm doing it! Guys, this is the good thing about having waterproof shoes. I'm not feeling them, and my feet are super dry. Not even a drop of water. Yeah, nice. This is the second waterfall.
Yeah.
5-minute break. This looks so unique. Walk with me. From the forest, we're joining the road now. So we're on our way back. We're probably we've covered like 5 kilometers. Yeah, so we're walking back to the tea plantation and then back to the bus. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Keep watching till the end. That was so refreshing. Ooh, and so calming. So walk with me, guys, and subscribe. Guys, it's just started drizzling and the clouds look very heavy. It looks like it's going to really rain, and I didn't carry a jacket, like a raincoat. I didn't bring a raincoat with me. But we'll be okay. We'll be just fine. I highly recommend. How's the hike so far for you?
Very good.
It's
It's interesting. It was fun exploring.
Ah. How's the hike?
It was nice.
Talia. Hi. How are you doing?
I'm doing well.
Please tell us about Women Who Hike.
So Women Who Hike was actually started off to encourage women like yourselves to come outdoors. Of course, it's not only an all-women's club, it's all-inclusive. So men are also welcome to join us. But the main aim of Women Who Hike was to get people outdoors and to empower them through nature.
Oh, nice. So you're the founder?
I am a founder and there's a co-founder as well that's known as, also her name is also Alia.
Okay, okay. How many activities are lined up this year?
A lot. This year we're going all out because we want to make up for the time that we lost last year in nature. So there are a lot of events happening. We have new events such as camping going on. Our Trailblazer is launching again this year. We have the Mountain Within, and we're being a bit ambitious this year by having 3 expeditions to Mount Kenya.
Oh, nice, nice. That sounds so exciting.
It is.
So for those who want to join, where can they get you? Where can they contact you? How?
So we have a very active Facebook page. You can find us as Women Who Hike Kenya on Facebook. We're also on Instagram as Women Who Hike Kenya again. And of course, yeah, you can reach us through those 2 places. Our website is down, but it should be up hopefully in the next couple of weeks.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I really enjoyed today's
I hope
hike.
How was your experience?
It was nice.
What was your
nice.
favorite moment of the hike?
Just observing the waterfalls, the whole experience of walking through the forest. It was really nice.
That's nice. I'm glad you enjoyed. Thank you so much for coming.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks for having me.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do so. See you in the next video. Okay, bye.